Hey, what's up, PracTacular Home crew? Welcome to Summers in the Sierra. Man, that sun is bright. But hey, wanted to give you a quick update as we've been doing some pretty serious work here in the shop for our program, and there is so much going on. I just wanted to kind of do a quick update vid and get you up to speed. Well, while we're entering into our tiny house lab, updates on tiny house. We are putting together a new proposal that takes it from our first unit to a whole new approach to building affordable, high efficient, high performing, fire resistant, crazy strong for our High Sierra tough needs up here, and have been meeting with our architect partners, our town municipal partners, been meeting with our superintendent and our business officer at the district, all of which are on board and excited for bringing a level 3 modular home building program right here to the shop. So lots and lots. I'll keep you posted, but stuff is happening. Super excited. We got authorization to meet and use one of our consultants that's going to help us with some grant writing and some funding, and she seems awesome. Meeting with her on a Zoom call on Monday, and I'll keep you posted. What also is happening when we're out here in our main CTE1 shop is we have some new stuff delivered and ready, or almost ready, I should say, to rock and roll for the fall semester. So this represents Paxton Patterson's Construction Tech Laboratories. Each one is a module that has 10 days of very interactive and specific training on everything from occupational safety to blueprint reading to drywall techniques. An amazing curriculum. Just got done with a 3-day training down south, getting everything I need to know as the lead teacher up here in Mammoth Lakes, and we're going to be launching that day 1 of the fall semester. So I've got a little more setup to do and to get things ready to rock and roll, but we have got some amazing learning opportunities for our students, both at level 1 and then taking it all the way into our new level 3. What? This is the big news. After 10 years of teaching here, thankful that we've got approval for 2 more periods or sections that we're going to be teaching and blocking them together for our level 3. And that's who's going to be building these modular homes right here for our workforce housing crew. Super excited, but that takes me to a full-time status as a teacher, which I've been only part-time for the last 9 years, 10 years, so I'm super thankful and grateful for leadership, our new principal, Dr. G, and everything that he's done in his first year here with us. So stay tuned, lots going on. For example, not only has it been Christmas, look at all these tools, oh my gosh. High quality professional tools is one of the first things I look at any curriculum when they're saying, hey, we got the greatest. No, if we don't have pro level tools and pro level techniques, I can't teach it. In fact, here's what's super fun, is they even think of us as instructors. This is called the Instructor Pack. It's on wheels, man. We can take this anywhere in our 6,000 square foot shop, and first aid and emergency stuff right on top, and then drawers and drawers full of super cool things that I need to really teach and direct our young builders into a future of understanding what it takes to build and create and fix things. That's what this adventure in the Career Tech Ed shop is all about. So stay tuned. I'll keep you up to date. This is our update for the summer. We'll see you back in the fall. Thanks for all your support and what you do. Love you all. Keep building something great. Come on.